Oh, Maria! Thank God you are finally here. Hey, Jenny. What's up? Why do you look so stressed? I literally needed to sit down before my head exploded. Is everything okay? You look like you're about to cry. Everything is fine at home, but that woman across the street is driving me insane. Wait, are we talking about Mrs. Gable again? What did she do now? Yes, her! I swear she watches my house 24 hours a day. Oh, we all know she is the official security camera of this neighborhood. No, seriously, Maria, it is not even funny anymore. No matter what I do, she always finds something wrong with it. If I cut my grass, she has a problem. If I host a dinner, she has a problem. What did she say to you? Tell me the whole story. Yesterday, I was just watering the plants on my front porch. A few drops of water accidentally splashed onto the sidewalk near her lawn. Let me guess, she started lecturing you immediately? Exactly! She started yelling from her driveway like the world was ending. She said I was ruining the public property and wasting resources. Wow, that is just ridiculous. She seriously needs a hobby. I was so angry, Maria. I just walked inside and slammed my door shut. You did the right thing by ignoring her. There is no point in arguing with crazy. But that is not even the worst part. Listen to what happened this morning. Oh, God, what happened this morning? I ordered some groceries online, and the delivery guy came a bit early. Don't tell me she had an issue with the delivery guy, too. She did. She stood on her porch and started screaming at him. She told him not to park his van near her mailbox because it blocks her view. She is unbelievable. How can someone be so bitter all the time? I don't know, Maria. Whatever I do, she thinks it is completely wrong. It makes me feel so uncomfortable living in my own house. I completely get your anger, Jenny. Anyone would lose their mind. To be honest, she doesn't even talk to me properly either. Really? I thought she was only targeting me. What happened between you two? Did she say something rude? Last week, I saw her near the mailboxes and politely said hello. What? Did she ignore your hello? She just looked at me from head to toe, made a disgusting face, and walked away. Oh my God, that is so incredibly rude and ill-mannered. I know, right? She did not say a single word back to me. Who does she think she is? The queen of the suburbs? Exactly. She acts like she is superior, and we are all trash. She has this massive ego for absolutely no reason at all. Let her rot, Jenny. People like her only know how to spread toxic energy. I try to ignore her, but it is impossible when she keeps poking her nose into my life. Forget about her attitude for a second. Did you hear the latest news about her? No? What news? Is there some fresh gossip? Oh, yes. It is about her Golden Boys high school graduation results. Oh, wait! The final grades came out yesterday afternoon, right? Yes, they did, and the whole block is talking about it today. How much did her son get? She used to brag so much about his future. Well, she always told everyone that her son is an absolute genius. Yes! She always said he studies 10 hours a day for the Ivy League. She used to compare him to my kids and make me feel like a bad mom. Well, that genius son only got a C- average in his final exams. What? C minus average? Are you serious right now, Maria? I am absolutely serious. 100% confirmed true news. Oh, wow. This is hilarious. I can't believe it. She used to talk as if he would top the entire state. Exactly. She told the Miller family that he was going to Harvard easily. Oh, my stomach hurts from laughing so much. God handles everything perfectly, doesn't he?
He really does. Karma is a real thing, Jenny. Now she cannot show her face to anyone in the community. No wonder she was looking so miserable this morning when she went to get the mail.
Yes, she was walking so fast, trying to avoid eye contact with everyone. Honestly, I don't want to celebrate a kid's bad grades, but she totally deserved this. She definitely deserved this reality check. She was flying way too high. She always criticized my daughter for spending time on her painting. Yes, I remember. She told you art is a complete waste of time. She said my daughter would fail in life if she keeps playing with brushes all day. And look at your daughter now. She got an A+ and a scholarship. Yes, and she is so creative, happy, and stress-free too. See? Your daughter did so well without any toxic mental pressure. I am so proud of my girl, but I never went around bragging about it to neighbors. Because you are a good person, Jenny. You actually have class. You don't need to put other people down to feel good about yourself. Thank you, Maria. You always make me feel so much better. That is what friends and good neighbors are for. We have to support each other in this crazy neighborhood. Look at the weather today, by the way. It is so beautiful out here. Yes, the breeze is very nice. It feels amazing.
It is much better than sitting inside the house with the AC blasting.
Definitely. Look at those little kids playing soccer over there. They look so happy and carefree. I miss being a kid. Yes, childhood is the best time of life. No bills, no worries, and no annoying neighbors to deal with 24/7. Hey, don't remind me of her again. Let's enjoy the peace. All right. No more talking about Mrs. Gapel. Let's talk about something fun. Are you planning to go shopping this weekend? I was thinking about it. There is a huge summer sale at the downtown mall. Huh, really? I didn't know about any sale. Tell me more. Yes, I saw the flyer today. They have 50% off on everything. Wow, 50%? That sounds like an incredible deal. I actually need to buy some new clothes and sneakers for the kids. I also need to buy some simple summer dresses for myself. Great. Let's go together on Saturday morning. Yes. Saturday morning is perfect. It won't be too crowded then.
See you on Saturday morning for our shopping trip, okay?
Yes, absolutely. Don't forget to text me on Friday night. I won't forget. I will text you after dinner to fix the time. Perfect. Have a great evening and give my love to your kids. You too, Maria. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye, Jenny. See you tomorrow.